Alright guys, so I'm going to give you my review of the B6.2d from Team Associated. So this was actually my very first 110 scale RC car build. So obviously it's not ready to run yet because I don't have a servo, engine, ESC, battery charger, or transmitter. All of that is soon to come. So here are some things that I've learned, and here are some things that problems that I've ran into during this build. So I did everything by the book the best I can, as far as like building like the turnbuckles and stuff like that. So one of the problems I've had with this build is the differential and the transmission. That was probably by far the hardest part about this entire build. Everything else, it wasn't actually all that bad. The shocks was pretty difficult for me to build too, but the people at my local track, which is RC1 Racing, which is over in Chesterfield, I recommend anybody go there and check them out. It's a really good track. Factory Tracks Racing and their team. It's a super good team. Without them, I wouldn't be able to do this entire RC car build myself. The price range, $339, not bad. I mean, I expect something like this to be a little bit more because you have to assemble it and put it together. Now, I will say this is possibly by far the most expensive RC car I've ever owned. And I've owned millions, well millions, not millions. I've owned several different RC cars, hobby-wise, such as WL Toys. I got a toy from Horizon Hobby. I got a Traxxas rally car, a 1/18 scale, and most of my cars are 1/18 scale. This would be my very first 110 scale car that I've ever built. Alright, so yeah, these shocks were a pain in the ass to build. And also, when I had put the tires on, one of the biggest problems I had was trying to get the play. So basically my wheels were like this. I'm trying to get them straight. But I think it's just part of the build for the wheels being on a slant angle. I don't know if that's so we can get it to the turns tighter. I'm not sure. But anyways, another thing I've learned is when you go to build a racing type of RC car vehicle, like this one that I have right here that I just built, I was told at my local track, it's specifically built for the track. This is not one of those RC cars where you can take out on your grass or go bashing with it and ripping up and down the street with. I mean, if you're gonna do that, make sure you put like slick RC car tires on here. Like, or what you could do is like, if you have like mudslingers or something like an old pair of set of tires that you don't want to use anymore, those would be fine. If you're just doing like a speed test run with this car. If you do decide to do one, make sure it's on dry ground because this thing is not waterproof, and don't buy one of these put together expect all these pieces to be waterproof, because chances are these could all what's the word for it? I'm drawing a blank here, guys, but these could rust up. So that's the one thing you have to be careful. And when you do decide to put one of these together, if you decide to buy one and build one, make sure you follow that book step by step. Now, I'll admit the book wasn't very clear with a lot of things. I actually had to ask for help several different times when it comes to me building my own car. I just had a lot of problems with it, but overall though, bumper to bumper, it was a super fun build. I had a fun time putting this car together. This is my first build. Maybe in the near future I'll build another one. Maybe not, I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, this is my B6.2d from Team Associated, and possibly my very first kit I've ever built. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this, and I will see you next time.